Okay, folks, this is perfect basmati rice. I get asked over and over again, how do you make it so perfectly? Well, there's a tiny trick to it, okay? Well, the first thing is you want to absolutely use rice that is grown in India. I'm not a fan of the stuff that's not grown in India. I'm going to be very honest. It's just not as long grain as we'd like. Basmati in Sanskrit means fragrant, and it should all be very loose when you're cooking it, right? Look at this. Now, the other thing that I always like to do is, after I cook it, I let it boil with the lid over the pot, slightly ajar, so it's simmering right there. And then I turn the heat off as soon as it looks like it's just about done, but it just has a touch of water. I can kind of hear it on the bottom. I turn the heat off and then I let it cook in its own steam. And look at this, nothing sticks and it all falls apart. That, my friends, is really, really delicious. Amazing basmati rice. And another trick, once you're cooking it, don't touch it, don't stir it, none of that. It releases starch. You don't want all that, it'll get sticky. We want it to be just beautifully spiced, loose, and just gorgeous.